This is the Middle Family Fun. Today we are going to unbox PJ Masks Craft and Crate mask set. Wow, what's in the box? Me? What's in the box, me?
PJ Mask.
PJ Mask.
Yeah.
And what have you got there?
PJ Mask.
And in the let's do it. Let's get this thing open. Find out all the paints. They're stuck in the lid.
This is Catboy. This is Owlette. No, this is Gekko, Owlette, and Catboy.
Here we have is a blue pen, and we start colouring in the Catboy mask. Here we go. It looks like it's going to take a long time. Catboy is a super cat. He has some special ears, so he can hear really good hearing like a cat. Jump like a cat and sprint like a cat. Catboy's turning blue. Lots of blue colouring. Keep going. Nearly finished. Catboy's nearly all blue. A little bit more to go. Wow, Catboy is looking really good. Here is PJ Mask, and with the elastic straps to fix to your head. Here we have Owlette, and we're just going to colour in the colour of red with a nice red pen. Go! Owlette. Just very nice and red. There's lots of colouring to do.
Oops.
Colouring nice. And then the cat. Owlette has an owl mask, and she can see in the dark, and she has an owl glider, and she is very, very red. Owlette is nearly finished, still colouring away, nice and bright red. Her owl costume with owl eyes so she can see in the dark. Owlette is nearly finished, she's getting nice and red. It's taken a long time. Here we have Owlette. She's all ready to go to put the straps on to make a mask. She's nice and bright red now colour. And here is the elastic. Here we have the mask, and now we're just going to put the elastic through the little hole to turn it into a mask that can fit onto your head. And you've got two holes for your eyes. Here we have Catboy and Owlette, just Gekko to go, lots of colouring, and we've been very busy making masks to turn into superheroes.
It's Gekko.
What colour's Gekko?
Green.
Here we go, colouring Gekko. He's going to be nice and green. Gekko is green for camouflage, and he's really good at climbing and very strong. His vehicle is a Gekko mobile. Wait, he's coming to say hello. Hello Gekko, are you green yet?
No.
Colour me in, because I want to be nice and green. Hi Gekko, are you nice and green yet?
No.
Oh no, you got some more to do. And then we can play in the garden, chasing each other. Gekko is nearly ready, all nice and green. Here we have Gekko, and now we're just fixing the elastic strap to the paper mask to make a mask. Gekko. Here we have the 3 PJ Masks heroes. Catboy, Owlette and Gekko, all ready for action to save the night through the day. Here we have stickers. Catboy, Owlette, Gekko, Romeo, Lumagal and Night Ninja and Catmobile. PJ Masks save the day.
Here we have TK Fast and we're going to stick them in the book.
Here we have It's Time to Be a Hero pad, and now it's time to make some stamp prints. Yeah. Here's the pad, PJ Mask. And there's the stamp block. Go.
This is Catboy going to stamp on Catboy.
On the notepad, let's stamp Catboy. Push it down onto the notepad. And on the cat pad. Use legs.
Owlette!
Stamp it down then onto the pad. One push. Wow. Oh dear, she's turned up upside down. Oh dear, she must be flying upside down. Do you want to... Okay, go.
It's Gekko's turn.
Gekko's turn.
Oops. Gekko's
Gekko's turn. You're going to push it down the print pad. Nice and hard. Nice bit of ink. And put it somewhere else on a clean piece of paper. Push nice and hard.
This is Owlette and this is Gekko. And this is the Saved in the Night.
Oh.
Gekko, Owlette and Catboy.